Most people think aloe vera is just for skin burns or hair masks. But what if I told you that this single leaf contains a golden liquid that can revive almost any dying plant in your garden? Today, I will reveal a secret that commercial fertilizer companies don't want you to know. We are going to explore why aloe is the ultimate growth booster, and I'll show you the step-by-step process to make your own organic fertilizer at home. Inside this gel, there are over 75 active nutrients. The most important one is salicylic acid, the same thing found in aspirin. In plants, it triggers an immune response, helping them fight off diseases and pests naturally. As we get older, we realize that nature has its own rhythm. Why use chemicals when this leaf provides asamonin, a complex carbohydrate that helps roots absorb water more efficiently? Step 1. Take a 4-inch piece of aloe. Chop it into small pieces. You don't need much. A little goes a long way. Step 2. You can either blend this with a liter of water or let it soak for 24 hours. This allows the enzymes to activate. Look at this foam, that's the nutrients coming alive. Always strain the mixture. We want the liquid gold, not the thick pulp which might attract ants to your pots. Now remember I mentioned a secret rooting hormone? Instead of buying expensive powders, just dip your rose or hibiscus cuttings directly into raw aloe gel. It seals the cut and prevents rot instantly. And for your indoor plants, use it as a foliar spray. It gives them that professional nursery shine without any oily residue. A quick warning for my fellow gardeners. Never apply this mixture under the scorching afternoon sun. The best time is early morning or late evening. Also, only use it once every 2 weeks. Too much of a good thing can be heavy for the soil. Gardening is a journey of patience. When we use what nature gives us, our garden rewards us with life. If you try this, let me know in the comments how your plants reacted. If you want to know which other kitchen scraps can save your garden, watch this next video right here. Happy gardening!